artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how we learn, teach, and conduct research. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, Perplexity, DeepSeek, and several others are now part of everyday academic life. But with this transformation comes also a new challenge. How do we use these tools ethically and without crossing the line into plagiarism? For instance, drafting an outline of an essay with the support of AI can save time. However, allowing AI to write the whole essay on your behalf crosses a sensitive ethical line. Then, how can you handle this kind of dilemma and avoid mistakes? That's where artificial intelligence in academia comes in. A practical guide written by independent researcher Luis Valerio Trindade, with a PhD in sociology and years of academic experience as a lecturer and author of several books and articles. Trindade offers clear and accessible advice for students, educators, and researchers navigating the ethical use of AI in academic work. This book isn't about banning or demonizing AI, it's about using it wisely. It helps readers understand what counts as plagiarism in the age of machine-generated content and how to avoid it. Want to use AI to summarize a research article? Great, but learn how to do it ethically. Need help brainstorming a university assignment or dissertation topic? AI can assist you, but you still need to think critically, cite the source responsibly, and be in charge of the final work. In other words, you cannot outsource your original voice and independent thoughts on the topic. After all, AI is not an author, and neither generates knowledge. Besides, the book also explains that chatbots are not flawless and explores important concepts like AI shaming, which refers to the fear or reluctance to acknowledge that artificial intelligence tools have been utilized due to concerns about stigma or negative perception in academic settings. As such, the book offers guidance on how to be transparent about AI use without being penalized. Educators will also find tips for guiding students through this new landscape. From designing AI-aware assignments to setting clear policies, the book helps teachers and institutions move beyond fear and toward thoughtful integration. Therefore, whether you're a student, a professor, or a researcher, this guide is for you. The book is written in a conversational tone, with no excessive technical jargon, just practical insights you can apply today. Artificial Intelligence in Academia is now available on Amazon and other online book retailers in both paperback and hardback formats. If you're ready to use AI smartly, ethically, and confidently, then this book is your ideal starting point. Don't miss it!